Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start with my tutorials directly. I'm going in with my primer, which is from L'Oreal. I'm applying it all over my face. I'm using my favorite concealer from LA Girl, and I'm gonna cover all the dark areas on my face. Using a small beauty blender, I'm gonna blend my concealer. I'm using my foundation now, which is from Maybelline. I really like this foundation as it's very light on my face, and I really don't like heavy foundation. I'm using a big beauty blender and I'm just gonna cover my face with it. I'm using a lighter concealer to highlight my face, and it's from Maybelline, from the Fit Me range. Using my contour powder from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna contour my face, cheeks, jawline, forehead, nose, wherever it's required. Blending my forehead contour into my hairline so it looks seamless and not patchy. Take your time when you contour your nose, you don't want it to look weird. Taking my loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me collection, and before applying it I'm gonna remove the crease near my under eye, and then I'm gonna just pack the powder using a small beauty blender. I'm not baking it, I'm just taking the product and just dabbing it in. It just fixes the concealer there itself. For my eyelids, I'm going to do the same thing. Remove the crease first and then pack the product in. You can see I have used the loose powder on the other areas of my face. I have just baked my cheeks a bit. And I'm using a spoolie and I'm just brushing my eyebrows. Using this pencil from Wet n Wild, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows lightly. Let's move on to eyes. I'm using this palette from Revolution and I'm taking the transition shade from it. That's my sister, she's annoying me again. These eyeshadows are really powdery, so you have to be a little careful. I'm going into my crease. I'm taking the darker shade of the same family and I'm just gonna get into my crease again. I'm taking the shade from my Huda palette, which is the darker shade of the ones I used, and I'm just gonna give a bit of definition to it. Just going into my crease, nowhere else. I'm using my gel eyeliner from L'Oreal. This is an important part of this look. I'm gonna take the alignment with the help of this brush. I'm gonna make a guideline and then following it I'm gonna draw my wing. You can use any kind of eyeliner, whichever is suitable to you and easy for you to use. I'm gonna take it in, but I'm not gonna go till the end of my eyes. I'm gonna stop it midway, so you can see that's where I'm gonna end it. I'm using this cream shade from my Huda palette. I'm gonna go in my inner corner. I'm dragging it towards my lid. I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take it in. I'm even using it on my brow bone. I'm dusting off my bake. And now I'm using my blush and I'm gonna apply loads of it all over my cheeks and my nose in a connecting way. As you can see, I'm gonna connect this full area. I'm using my highlighter, which is from Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna highlight my face wherever required. I'm using my green tea mist from Innisfree. I'm just gonna set my face. I'm gonna use my highlighter again. I'm gonna highlight my cheeks again with it. For my lips, I'm using this lip liner from Nykaa. I'm just gonna outline and fill in my lips with it. I'm gonna link and mention all the shades in the description box. I'm using this nude shade from L'Oreal and I'm just gonna dab it all over my lips. So this is the final look, guys. I applied some mascara, I forgot again, and I did my hair. It looks funny, but it's okay. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and like